Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. What causes Ghost Touch on Android? Ghost Touch occurs when your phone screen responds to inputs or presses that you didn't initiate, or when there is a part of your screen that is entirely unresponsive to your touch. In this state, your phone opens apps by itself and randomly taps on buttons without you even touching the screen. If you're experiencing Ghost Touch, it's probably not a software issue. It usually is a physical problem with display components, like faulty digitizer or a cracked screen. In some cases, dirt underneath the screen or water damage causes Ghost Touch. However, because there is no single definitive source or solution to Ghost Touch, you'll have to fix it through trial and error by attempting each of the solutions below. Number 1. Clear the apps running in the background. Having many open tabs in background can cause various problems. In general, applications running in the background can cause software glitches which may lead to Ghost Touch. Therefore, clearing them is a good initial troubleshooting step. Although the process may vary from one Android device to another, the general guide is to open the Overview panel by hitting the Overview button or swiping halfway up from the bottom of the screen. If gesture navigation is enabled, you can swipe up from the bottom of your screen to clear each application. Number 2. Clean your phone's touchscreen. The display requires direct contact from your fingers to perform any activity. This means that when the screen holds foreign particles such as dirt from your fingers or dust from the environment, that dirt can impact your screen's performance and can cause Ghost Touch, so clean your touchscreen regularly to rid it of dirt and grime. To clean the screen, turn out your phone, gently wipe your screen using a soft and slightly damp cloth. Wipe it clean with a dry cloth. You may also experience Ghost Touch if your screen is cracked, so keep your phone safe from cracks or scratches. If the worst happens, follow our guide on how to handle a cracked phone screen. Number 3. Replace your screen protector. Screen protectors are extremely useful for protecting your phone from cracks and scratches, but they can also cause issues. If dust or moisture gets between the screen protector and your screen, it can cause Ghost Touch problems. Low-quality protectors also do more harm than good to your phone screen. The poor quality of materials used to make such screen protectors affects the touch sensitivity of the screen beneath it. Try removing your screen protector to see if that fixes matters. If it does, wipe your screen clean and then replace the protector with a higher quality one. Number 4. Take more breaks between screen usage. The operating temperature of your smartphone must be a certain level for it to function properly. For your screen to also work without issues, take breaks between usages and avoid using your screen at a stretch to prevent overheating. Also, avoid using your phone in extreme heat such as in direct sunlight. Heat causes electromagnetic interference, which disrupts your device's performance and may trigger Ghost Touch. Number 5. Keep your device up to date. As previously stated, Ghost Touch is rarely the result of a software glitch. Even so, outdated software or bugs can cause your phone to create Ghost Touch problems. Ensure your device and apps are up to date to fix these, as most bugs get patched with updates. To update your Android phone, open your phone settings app, tap System Update. You'll see your device update status. Tap the Check for Update button to install available updates. Number 6. Factory reset your phone. Assuming your device is up to date, another way to fix software-related Ghost Touch problems is to reset all your settings and content to default. If buggy software or unruly app is the cause, this will fix Ghost Touch by eliminating underlying software issues causing it. You should back up your Android device before resetting your phone. This is important because a factory reset will clear all your data and you can't recover deleted data. 7. Take your device to a service center. If you haven't been able to fix your phone's Ghost Touch problem, it may be time to replace the screen. Perhaps the screen is deteriorating, water got into it, or it has a faulty component. In those instances, you'll need to find a trained technician to replace the screen. Like other screen issues, the best way to resolve Ghost Touch is to take your device to a service center for a fix. If your phone is still under warranty, your phone's manufacturer may offer to replace it with a new one or may choose to repair or replace the screen instead to try to fix the issue. Get rid of Ghost Touch on your Android device. While there are several potential causes of Ghost Touch on Android, you can perform basic troubleshooting steps to fix most of them. If the basic fixes don't work for you, seek out a qualified technician or disassemble to replace your screen. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.